First, you are going to prime our face, and we are using this oil-free primer from Zekel Cosmetics. Next is foundation, and we are using this V Beauty Total Coverage Matte Foundation. We are mixing two shades because this shade is too dark and this shade is too light. We are mixing the two to get my shade. First, to put the dark one from my shade. Then we mix the two together. So then we blend. Next is concealer, and we're using this Adventure Makeup Blend Pro Concealer to conceal. Next, we're using this cream bronzer from Fera Makeup. Next is blush, and we're using this cream blush from Fera Makeup. Next, we are setting the face with this translucent loose powder from Zekel Cosmetics. Next, we are going to set the cream bronzer with this compact powder from Zekel Cosmetics. Next, we are going to set the cream blush with a powder blush. Next is brows. For eyes, I'm going to use this compact powder for my eyes, all over my eyes. Next, I'm going to line my eyes. Next is mascara. Next is lips. We're using these two lip gloss from Flawless Highway Cosmetics. First, I'm going to use this one to line. And this is the finished look. This look is perfect for date night or a night out.